there, garden lovers! Ready to turn your garden into a veggie paradise? Looking to boost your carrot harvest and keep those pesky pests at bay? Well, you're in for a treat. Today, I'm sharing 10 amazing companion plants that will help your carrots thrive. Let's dig in. Literally. First up, we have rosemary. This fragrant herb isn't just for your kitchen, it's a superhero in the garden. Capes not included. Rosemary deters carrot rust flies with its strong scent, keeping your carrots safe and sound. Next, marigolds. These bright, cheery flowers repel nematodes and other soil pests. They're like the bouncers of your garden club. Plus, they add a pop of color to your garden. Who doesn't love that? It's like a garden party. Now let's talk about nasturtiums. These beauties act as a trap crop, attracting aphids, whiteflies, and other pests away from your carrots. It's like they're saying, "Hey pests, over here." Think of them as a sacrificial hero. They take one for the team. Chives are another great companion. They deter carrot rust flies, aphids, and Japanese beetles. Talk about multitasking. Plus, they're delicious in your salads. Lettuce is up next. It provides ground shade, conserving moisture and suppressing weeds. It's like a cozy blanket for your carrots. Your carrots will thank you for the cozy cover. Radishes are fantastic too. They break up the soil, making it easier for carrots to grow. It's like having a personal trainer for your soil. And they attract beneficial insects. Talk about a win-win. Onions are another must-have. They repel carrot flies and other pests. Plus, they add a tasty zing to your dishes. And who doesn't love a good onion? Leeks are similar to onions. They repel various pests, and they're perfect for hearty soups and stews. Yum! Garlic is a powerhouse in the garden. It deters many pests, including aphids, spider mites, and carrot root fly. It's like the garlic of legend. Plus, it's a kitchen staple. Lastly, we have sage. This herb repels carrot flies, cabbage moths, and flea beetles. And it smells amazing. Remember, successful companion planting is all about proper spacing, considering each plant's needs, and observing for any negative interactions. Happy planting! As we wrap up, here's a little inspiration for you. From Genesis 1 verse 11-12, then God said, "Let the land produce vegetation, seed-bearing plants and trees on the land that bear fruit with seed in it, according to their various kinds." And it was so. The land produced vegetation, plants bearing seed according to their kinds, and trees bearing fruit with seed in it according to their kinds. And God saw that it was good. And remember, to plant a garden is to dream of tomorrow. Audrey Hepburn. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. See you in the next one. Happy gardening! And may your carrots be ever crunchy.